There's a kind of tiredness sleep can't fix, a kind of heaviness you feel in your chest but can't explain, a kind of sadness you didn't create, yet somehow you're the one carrying it. It's in the way your mood drops for no reason. It's in the way small things irritate you. It's in the way your mind spirals faster than usual. It's in the way you feel disconnected from yourself, even when nothing is technically wrong. People assume it's stress, or overthinking, or just life. But the truth is far more spiritual. You're absorbing energies that are not yours, and your aura, the energetic shield around your body, is begging for cleansing. This video isn't about good vibes only. This is about deep spiritual detox, removing stuck energy, releasing energetic imprints, letting go of emotional residue left behind by people, places, moments, and memories. By the time we finish, you won't just feel lighter, you'll feel yourself again. Let's begin. What negativity really is, the part most people don't know. Negativity is not always dramatic. It doesn't always come from arguments, heartbreak, or trauma. Sometimes it's subtle, like dust collecting on your soul. Negativity can come from people who talk too much and listen too little, places that drain instead of inspire, conversations that feel heavy, memories you never processed, cycles you keep repeating, thoughts you didn't choose but believed, energetic cords to people who no longer belong in your life. Your aura absorbs all of it, and here's the twist. Your aura collects energy faster than your mind can understand it. That's why energy detox isn't a luxury, it's spiritual hygiene. Just like you clean your body, you must clean your energy. Otherwise, you slowly become someone you don't recognize. Today, we clean all of it. Step into stillness. Your aura can't speak until you're quiet. Sit comfortably. You don't need candles. You don't need crystals. You don't need perfect posture. You only need awareness. Take one deep breath in, slowly out. Feel your breath brushing against your chest. Feel your shoulders relax by 1%. Then another 1%, and another. As you breathe, notice this. There is a subtle pressure around you. Maybe on your back, maybe your shoulders, maybe in your stomach. It's not physical, it's energetic. That pressure is your aura holding things that no longer belong to you. Your job is to release them. Let's begin the detox. The first cleanse, emptying emotional residue. Close your eyes. Imagine your body as a glass filled with water, but this water is murky, foggy, heavy. This represents the emotional residue you've been carrying. Hidden anger, quiet sadness, thoughts you borrowed from others, stress you didn't process, memories that sit in corners of your mind. Now imagine pulling the plug at the bottom of the glass. The water begins draining, slowly, steadily, effortlessly. With each breath out, the heaviness leaves your body. Not forced, not pushed, just released. Here's the twist. Your body knows exactly what to let go of. You just have to stop holding it. Let it drain. Let it fall away. Let your body exhale everything it's tired of carrying. The aura sweep, removing external energies. Now shift your awareness 2 inches outside your skin. This space, the invisible field around you, is your aura. Imagine your hand slowly brushing this field, not physically, energetically. Start above your head, sweep downward, slow, soft, intentional. Every sweep removes people's opinions, people's expectations, people's emotions, people's projections, people's negativity, people's energy that stuck to you without permission. It falls away like dust in sunlight. Do this around your shoulders, your chest, your stomach, your back, your legs. With every sweep, say this silently: return to sender. This energy is not mine. Feel how much lighter you're becoming? The truth is simple. Your aura always knew how to heal. It just needed you to finally participate. The cord cutting. Releasing energetic attachments. Some negativity doesn't float around you. It connects directly. Through cords. Energetic cords attached to people you loved, People you lost, people who hurt you, people who needed too much from you, people you tried to save, people who drained you, and sometimes people you've never even met but absorbed energy from. Now imagine a long cord extending from your chest. Feel its weight, feel its pull. You don't need to identify who it belongs to. Your spirit already knows. Now imagine a golden pair of scissors. Lift them, hold them above the cord, and gently say, I release you with peace. Your energy is yours. My energy is mine. Cut the cord. Feel the relief. Feel the expansion. Feel the space returning to your soul. You didn't lose anything. You reclaimed yourself. The cleansing light. Purifying your aura. Imagine the sky opening above you, just slightly. A soft crack, a gentle beam, a column of pure white light descends slowly, gracefully, powerfully. This light is warm but not hot, soft but not weak, pure but not blinding. Let it touch the top of your head. Instantly you feel clarity, stillness, safety, warmth. This is spiritual detox at its highest form. Let the light slowly move downward, through your head, clearing mental noise, through your throat, clearing unspoken words, through your chest, clearing emotional pressure, through your stomach, clearing fear and overthinking, through your hips, clearing old memories, through your legs, clearing exhaustion. Let it exit through your feet, taking every ounce of negativity with it. You are being purified from the inside out. The aura expansion, rebuilding your energy field. Now that you've cleared your aura, it needs expansion. Imagine a soft bubble of light forming around your body. It grows slowly like a sunrise. This bubble is your new aura, clean, bright, strong, magnetic. With every breath, it expands slightly. With every exhale, it strengthens. Twist. Your aura doesn't just protect you, it attracts better things. A strong aura draws peace, clarity, aligned people, positive opportunities, intuitive guidance, emotional stability, authentic connections. Feel your energy field becoming luminous, untouchable, whole. This is your spiritual armor, but created from softness, not force. The final seal, protecting your energy. Imagine drawing a circle of light around yourself, a perfect ring. This is your spiritual boundary. Now say, only energy meant for my highest good may enter. Feel the boundary seal, firm yet gentle, soft yet powerful. This is the moment negativity loses access to you. Not because you fought it, not because you hid from it, but because you became too aligned for it to reach. This is what spiritual cleansing truly is. Not escaping negativity, but becoming immune to it. You are lighter than you realize. Open your eyes slowly. Notice the shift. Your mind feels clearer. Your chest feels open. Your breath feels natural. Your thoughts feel honest. Your emotions feel softer. Your spirit feels awake. This is your new baseline. Your aura is clean. Your energy is yours. Your spirit is centered. And the heaviness you used to feel, that was never yours. You only needed to release it.